Okay, we're going to go on and look at solving trig equations, and we're going to use a graph method to do this. I'm going to start with an example using a cos curve. So we're going to look at solving cos theta equals root 3 over 2 between 0 and 360 degrees. So sketching these trig curves, it's quite good just to put your key points on. So it starts at 1, and then every 90 degrees it's going through 0, 1, minus 1, and then smooth curve. So you start in the same way as you're used to. So cos theta equals root 3 over 2. You use your calculator, you do shift cos root 3 over 2, and your calculator will give you a value of 30 degrees. If we go into the curve and look what's happening, root 3 over 2, it's about 0.8, 0.9, we're up here somewhere for root 3 over 2. And so if I come across to the curve, that's where cos theta equals root 3 over 2, and I can drop down here, and that there is 30 degrees. That's called the principal value. That's the value that your calculator gives you. Your calculator will only give you one value, but there's actually infinitely many places on this cos curve where cos theta equals root 3 over 2. So there's another one here, there's another one here, there's another one here, and so on. For cos, the principal values, we need to include the full range between 1 and minus 1. So the principal values that your calculator gives you will be between 0 and 180 degrees. So what this question here is asking excuse me, is that we find all the values where cos theta equals root 3 over 2 between 0 and 360. So there's one here at 30, which is between 0 and 360, and there's another one over here. Use the symmetry in the curve to find the other one. So cos theta is symmetrical here, about 180 degrees. So if I've gone forwards by 30, I need to go back 30 from 360. There aren't any other places between 0 and 360 where it will equal root 3 over 2. Sorry, this blue line sort of dropped down a little bit, so really want to be up there. And so the value here will be 360 minus 30, which is 330 degrees. So forwards 30, back 30 from 360. So two places where cos theta equals root 3 over 2 between 0 and 360. And actually for cos, if you think about it, you'll always be coming forwards, back from 360. I'll do the same for sine and the same for tan, but I'll put them on separate videos, or my storage is going to run out on my phone.